How to block unknown numbers on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block unknown numbers on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, simply scroll down till you find the phone app. If you don't find it here, head over to the apps section that is on the bottom of the settings and search for phone. After you find phone, open that up, and after you open that up, you can then scroll down. After you scroll down under the calls section, you should see an option called silence unknown callers. So simply tap on that and then turn the button on. After you do that, now you will not be getting, or your calls will get silenced if it's from an unknown number. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.